Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is the intraday for Bitcoin. We're gonna see what happened and what it might happen next. So this intraday, of course, on the 1 hour chart and 15-minute chart as well. So for Bitcoin, we are looking at this triangle. So today, of course, in the daily, we have mentioned, oh, the wave D might be finished, and obviously it is not. So today, what happened, we took a new low here, which is still potential wave D as an A, B, and a C, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as an ending diagonal. A, B, and a C. What a creepy move here. It's very noisy. So A, B, and then a zigzag for wave 1, 2, and zigzag for wave 3, and then 4 and a 5. So all of them are zigzag, and definitely this might be, of course, a diagonal, unless, of course, we are very bearish here, and the things might turn, of course, into double 1, 2, meaning diagonal here for wave 1, 2. But I doubt it. I doubt it. I still think that the wave E might still be unfolding, especially that the time and somehow this wave looks the same. Yeah, so this is exactly how it looks like in a triangle normally. So we'll see, of course, if this is gonna happen. Basically, wave E will be given there, and then we might drop towards the downside. Unless, of course, if we take the 65 K here, and that means, okay, we got to be careful. If we take this price, we break the triangle and we break down. Yeah, so very likely to unfold this potential several 1, 2s there, and that means, of course, yeah, I have to consider this as something as diagonal, and of course finish diagonal here as a wave 1, 2, and then of course several 1, 2s as well here, unfolding wave 3 toward the downside. So we have to be very, very careful with it. It can be, of course, this case scenario, and that's why we have our key level always. If one of them is taken, whether we take this one before finishing wave E, then okay, we're diving deeper. And if we push for higher during a wave E and we take the 70K here, then we're pushing for higher. But of course, highest possibility here is for downward, because we are in an impulse potentially toward the downside as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And also it might, of course, unfold here something as a double 1, 2, yeah, and then this might be your wave 3, 4, and a 5. The gap 52K is very essential, yeah, because as we know, as WX and Y, if we go back a little bit just to remind you here, what we are looking with. So we are looking at WX and Y, where you have an ABC, WX, and then another ABC wave Y. Now this wave Y is allowed to be very extended, meaning those double 1, 2 inside can unfold a double 4, 5 to finish only a wave C, meaning very, very deep wave C here in W, X, and a Y, and then pushing for higher. And this might unfold, of course, though, a regular flat, shallow wave 2, of course, meaning in the bull run that we saw previously, 1, 2, and then pushing for a new bull run wave 3. And that might be, of course, in March 2027, in case, of course, the timing will be respected perfectly. And of course, if we are in a deep correction, don't forget we might break the 52K. So this is a key level 52K. We saw this in many videos before. And of course, the 52K is still playing as a role here for a deep correction that it might be unfolding in case, of course, we break it. That means the wave A might reach, of course, the 35K, 0.618 here, then having a wave B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to reach, of course, our perfect target, perfect timing as well, and then pushing in a bullish scenario. For me, honestly, highest possibility is the regular flat, which it can be also a potential expanding flat. And that because, of course, as I mentioned several times, this is a 1, 2, 3 here. And this is, of course, the wave 3 unfolding for a major wave 3 in the all-time history. So we are wave 3 over 3. And normally when Bitcoin have a wave 3 over 3, the wave 2 is very shallow, meaning minimum target 0.38 might be taken, and then of course pushing for higher for a massive bull run. Yep, so that was it, the intraday for Bitcoin. We'll see what's gonna happen, but very likely, of course, is that the wave E might be still unfolding unless, of course, we break the 65K. We simply drop down. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.